I'm going to show you how you can easily buy ENA coin in Binance. First, open your Binance application on your mobile device. Now tap on Wallets located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Buy to initiate your purchase. In the Buy section, select USDT as your payment option and search for ENA. If you can find it here, tap on it to proceed. If you don't see ENA in the Buy section, go back and tap on Trade at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on Cryptocurrency in the top left corner to browse available coins. In the search bar, type ENA to find the ENA coin. Once you see ENA in the results, tap on it to access its trading page. Now enter the amount of ENA you wish to purchase. Finally, tap on Buy ENA to complete your transaction. Your ENA coins will be added to your wallet once the purchase is successful.